This is our range of Brooke cabinet knobs. They are offered in two different sizes, being the 40mm and the 30mm, and in three different timber types, which are the maple, walnut and oak. These are essentially a round ball but with a flat end which goes against the cabinet, and with insert in the bottom which accepts the 30mm screw that we supply with all the knobs. These are offered in a satin lacquered finish, and as I said, essentially a ball shape. They're very, very popular, and as I said, this is our Brooke range of knobs.